Hello everyone, and this is Valentina, and this is the Eddy's new Ford Transit 350 HT, and right now they're putting hedge under the new van, and Elaine, she helping Eddy. So this is, you can see it, improvement in a van. So this way you can pick up something in a bag and carry on after you. You can even hook up boat.
No fucking way. There's two bolts here. Oh. I can get the impact wrench over here.
I think 15, 11, 16 are about the same.
Here, take this.
So Locksmith Eddy and Mechanic Eddy, together with Elaine Richardson. And where is a little scummy? Little scummy hiding someplace. And this is a nice electrical bike. EB Carousel. Very nice. The Eddy has all kind of different toy. He even has a toy. This is the Mercedes, little Mercedes for his scummy. So his cat then driving this Mercedes. How do you like this? Красивая машина для кота, для Эдиного кота Сками. Маленький красный Мерседес. Электрический байк. Всевозможный эквипмент. И это все Eddy's Garage. Mr Sunshine Media Group. Fantastic place. So Eddy did everything possible to make this place look absolutely great, organized. You can see this, all the storages, and this is look absolutely amazing and fantastic. Live from Eddy's Lux Realtor Valentina, 561-388-1015. Mr Sunshine Media Group. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, feel free to share, subscribe to my YouTube, Luxury Properties International. Thank you for watching.